Now we are going to start the last tense of present perfect continuous tense. In this we talk of an action that started at some point of time in the past but is still continuing in the present. Always remember the main helping verbs. I have written the word main helping verbs, has and have. Then in this we use additional helping verb, that is been, B-E-E-N. In this we also use since and for. Basically since we use for a point of time, exact time. In simple language, exact year is given, exact date is given. There we use since. And for we use for the period of time. It may be for 5 hours, for 5 days, for 5 seconds. So when exact time is given, we use since, and for period we use for. What is the rule of this? Subject plus has and have means your main helping verbs, plus been is your additional helping verb, plus first form of verb added by ing, plus object, since, for, and your time. Just see and understand it with the help of an example. He means your subject. He is singular. What has come with it? Has. Then your additional helping verb, been. First form of verb, play. You have to add ing. What it becomes? Playing. Cricket for 2 hours. Now 2 hours, period of time, 1 hour, 2 hour. It means it is period. So we have used for. He has been playing cricket for 2 hours. Now you have to make negative. Always remember you have to put not after your main helping verb, not after your additional helping verb. It will always come after your main helping verb. And what are your main helping verbs in this? Has and have. So he has not been playing cricket for 2 hours. Now you have to make interrogative. What is your helping verb in this? Has. Followed by your subject, he. Then additional helping verb, been playing cricket for 2 hours. So what it becomes? Has he been playing cricket for 2 hours? Now I am going to explain you one more example. I. See, I have told you with I we always use have. So I have been living in Delhi since 1982. Exact year is given. So what we have used? Since. When we are going to make negative of this, what it becomes? I have not been. Remember, after your main helping verb, you have to put not. I have not been living in Delhi since 1982. And when we are going to make question of this, what is your main helping verb? Have. Followed by your subject, I. Then your additional helping verb, been. Then verb first form ing, living. Object, in Delhi. It is 1982 exact time. So what will come? Since 1982 question mark. Have I been living in Delhi since 1982? Thank you.